Has your book ever been the victim of a water damage crime? In this video, we're going to learn how to treat water-damaged books with the university libraries. If the water damage occurred recently, we want to first make sure the wet pages are separated so that they don't stick together when dry. We'll start by inserting sheets of plain paper towels between the pages. Next, leave the book out to dry under a fan. You'll want to check on the book periodically and rotate it to make sure all areas of the book dry fully. After the book dries, place it under a heavy weight, like a board with a heavy dictionary on top. Leave the book under weight for a few days. Check periodically to see if it has flattened the desired amount. If you don't have time to treat your book right away, put the book in a watertight, sealed bag and stick it in your freezer to prevent mold growth or any further damage while awaiting treatment. When you have time to treat the book, take it out of the freezer and the bag and follow steps 1 through 3. If you've followed steps 1 through 3 and the book has not flattened enough, pages are stuck together, or paper is torn, now might be the time to ask a conservator for help. No library books were damaged in the process of making this film.